I had given the Spray Max 2K epoxy primer approximately 4 hours. I gave it a couple of coats, 4 hours to dry. I think they talk about only needing about an hour and a half. So that is thoroughly dried and ready for a start painting. Following the Spray Max epoxy primer, I'm going to be using as the final coat the Classic Color by Moss. This is the 220-580 green. That's the Sprite Midget engine enamel. There is another, they call it Austin Healey dark green. That is that kind of a light shade of green that may or may, it's certainly used on big Heelys, and it may have been used originally on the early Bugeyes, but this also was used certainly on the later square body Sprites. It's personal preference. I like the dark green, so my Austin Mini Cooper, the Wally, the other 59 Bugeye are in this color, and so I'm maintaining this look. And so this is what we'll be spraying out on this engine. I'm using this, I think it's it's a Rust-Oleum trigger, just to kind of help save wear and tear on your fingers. I'd given another light coat over here. This is already flashed off. You know, nothing's coming off of my hand. So we're ready for a second light coat on this. Get rid of this can over here. Let's see, same thing true here. Yep, that's already flashed off. This gun style makes this just so much nicer to spray on. Putting down kind of a wet coat this time around.